Hello everyone, welcome back to ATP Creative Corner. In today's video, I'll be making these face masks with adjustable ear loops. These are extremely comfortable and you can wear it for a long period of time. Before we begin, please hit that subscribe button if you aren't subscribed already. Now let's get started. First, for the template, I have taken a rectangular sheet of dimensions 5 inches across 6 inches. Next, I am going to mark a point 1.5 inches from top left corner like this. Another point 1.5 inches from bottom left corner like this. Next, I am going to mark a point from top left corner at 2.5 inches. Another point 2 inches from top right corner like this. And the fifth point 1 inches from the bottom right corner like this. Now I'll join all the 5 points. Once the marking is done, I am going to cut along these marked lines. Now our template is ready. Now I am going to mark one side of the template as L and the other side as R. For the mask, I have taken 2 different fabrics. With the help of template, I am going to cut 2 pieces of each fabric. Now I am going to place the template on the wrong side of the fabric and I am going to mark using this fabric marker. First, I'll keep the template such that the marking L is facing upwards. And I'll trace the template like this. Next, I am going to place the template such that the marking R is facing upwards. This way we are going to get the right side and left side of the mask. Similarly, I have marked and cut 2 pieces of each fabric. Now I am going to place the pieces with its right sides facing each other like this. And I'll give a stitch along this curve. Now it's done. Now I'll turn one of the pieces inside out like this. And I'll place it inside the other piece such that their right sides are facing each other like this. Now I'm going to give a stitch on the top edge and the bottom edge of the mask. Now it's done. Now I'll turn the mask inside out like this. If you want to use elastic, you can fold the fabric 1 cm inwards like this and insert the ends of the elastic like this and give a straight stitch here. But to make adjustable ear loop, I am using nylon cord or macram thread. I am taking 4 pieces of the cord where 2 pieces are of length 12 inches and 2 pieces are of length 6 inches. Now I'm going to take one of these shorter cords and I'm going to place the right end of the cord over the left end like this to create a small loop. Now I'm going to pull the right end of the cord from inside the loop like this. While pulling, I'm going to make sure that the ends are together. Now I'm going to take one of the longer cords and insert it inside this loop like this. Now I'm going to pull the knot such that it's nice and tight around the longer cord. Now it's ready. Now I'll repeat the same steps for the other pair of cords. Now I'll fold the edges of the mask 1 cm inwards like this. Now on the top I'm going to place the end of the longer cord like this. And I'll place the ends of the shorter cord at the bottom like this. I'll give a straight stitch here. Now it's done. You can see the adjustable ear loop here. Now I'll repeat the same steps on the other side as well. Now to seal the raw edges of the cord, I am going to hold it in the flame for 1 or 2 seconds. Now our mask is ready. I also like to make fabric latkans at the end of the cord. For this I have taken 2 inch square fabric. I am going to fold it diagonally to form a triangle like this. Now I'll place the cord in the center and fold it again to make a smaller triangle like this. I'll give a straight stitch here. Once done, it looks something like this. Now I'll pull it upside down. This forms a nice bell shape at the end of the cord. Similarly, I have done it for both the ends of the cord. Now our mask is ready. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.